Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing. This will be a quick one today. I know exactly what's in the box or in the bag. Let's see if I can try and do it without the scissors, but let's not muck around. So you may remember from an unboxing a few weeks ago where I got a new old stock NOS Wilkinson sword. So that one was too good to use. So I thought, well, I've got to find myself another one, and thankfully another one came up on eBay in Australia. So let's see. That opens up nice and smooth, closes smoothly. So we will see this one in a shave video shortly. Yep, that's in good condition. Has been used. You can see underneath here where the logo is, or was. So it's seen some use. There was another one. I think the seller's selling another one, but it's a lot more scratched up than what this one is. Okay, thanks for watching. Chat soon. Ciao for now.